We guide you through how to see a Pinterest pin quickly and easily. So, the first thing you need to do is to open the Pinterest app or website and log into your account. Use the search bar at the top to type keywords related to what you're looking for and hit enter. Scroll through the feed until you find a pin that catches your eye, then click on it to open and see the full image, descriptions, and any link website. You can also hover over pins on desktop to preview without clicking. And if you want to save it, simply tap the save button and choose a board or click the three dots for more options like sending it to friends or copying the link. If you're using mobile, swiping up on pin reveals related pins and additional details, making it easier to explore similar content. Remember, using boards effectively helps you organize pins and return them anytime. And you can always search within your boards to quickly find the pins you saved.